Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm trying something different today. It will be a mixed technique piece, so I will be doing acrylic fluid art, but trying to do my interpretation of the Aurora. Is it the Aurora? With different colours. So I tried to draw out what I think I want to do on my canvas. This is a 60 by 30. So I'm sort of just putting some sort of base coat down to give me some slippery slidey surface when I put the other colours on. But I just thought I'd try something a little different in a abstract landscape of the lovely colours that everybody's been seeing of the Aurora in different countries, even in Australia. I've had some lovely photos in different people posting, so it's kind of my interpretation of it all. I marked that out with an acrylic art pen, knowing that once it's covered in paint, and because it's acrylic on acrylic, it gets kind of eaten up and doesn't show through. So that was what I was doing there. My next stage is literally just putting in that little pour cup a little bit of silver, turquoise blue, as I'm going to sort of do a little bit of a water effect in a pour and a swipe, so to create kind of a water effect. So now I will swipe it to blend those colours in and try and get something in my abstract version of a kind of a water effect on there. I'm just swiping it, but I will end up blowing those colours with a little hairdryer, so I'll kind of get a wavy effect on there, kind of gives a better effect. Now I'm going to start layering my colours for the blowout for the Aurora colours, my sky colours. So I'm just layering the colours that I particularly choose to have. You can choose any other colours you like. So I'm sort of just laying there that they will kind of give the impression, hopefully, that the colour is coming from behind a mountain. Okay, it's been one day since I blew this out. I did scrape off paint lower down because I want my mountains here. I did blow it back again to get rid of some of the paint so as it would dry quicker, and the bit where I did this sort of, you know, it's going to act, I hope, as like the water. I just blew it with my hairdryer every which way to sort of create not a uniform look, a bit more wavy type thing. So all that's left to do now is add my black bits. So I'll get on with it.
Showing me all of your best while I'm giving you what I got left. I got concrete walls, got concrete walls. Hold me tight, don't let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. No, I've tried to let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. But I need you, need you, oh you, tonight I need you. You say I got nothing,
After the correct brushes to do some
baby, I know
piney looking things. Hope it works, never know.
that I gotta go on my own. I got concrete walls, got concrete walls. Hold me tight, don't let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. No, I've tried to let go, but I
think I like it like that. It's that's supposed to be a wibbly wobbly old fence along there, not trees. I think when it's dried off a bit, I can define those tree effects a bit better than I have, but I need it to dry, otherwise I'm just going to do big smudgy wudgy woos. So I enjoyed actually doing that, something different. I think the water effect kind of has worked with that, but maybe I can add some things to it. I could probably definitely go over the black again when that coat has dried. But I'm pretty happy with that. What do you guys think? Something different? Northern Lights, what is it? The thingy, I'll look up the word, I can't think of it. But anyway, I'm really happy with that, and that's all you need to be, is happy yourself when you're creating it. Well, I hope you like that and something different. Until my lovelies, till tomorrow, my lovelies, please take care, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.